Stop! Can you guys guess what I have in this box? This is a brand new product released today, and it's a Pokémon First Partner Collection Series 3. And even though this got released just today, it's actually already being sold out in most of the stores. But luckily, I'm smart and I'm strong and I beat the scalpers, so I was able to get my hands on 2 of the whole boxes. And right now I have 12 of these in total. So we're going to open them. So join me on this unboxing video and let's see if we get any epic pulls. Okay, let's begin. I noticed that the box says not for retail sale before August 7th, 2026. But I don't think all the people follow that rule, because I heard that some people already got their hands on these. So it's probably like some people who works at the store or the warehouse and they just steal it and sell it. So that is not good at all. But we got them legit way on the right date. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. Let's look at the design first. So very nice box. On the side they have fire Pokemons, leaf Pokemons, and on the other side water Pokemons. And on the back, 30 years of first partner Pokemon. Ooh, very nice artwork. So which one should we open? Yes, the lion guy is here. So let's open with this one. Let's start with this one. Carefully open them because I don't want to ruin the art on the box. Oh, they glued this super tightly, but we got it open. Nice. And here we have it. First Partner Collection Series 3. It comes with sticker set. That is nice. Nice bonus. And here we have the promo cards, the best one of the set. Then we have Pitch Black Booster Pack and Chaos Rising. So, what do you guys want to open first? I think we should go straight to the big one. Series 3 special promo cards. I hope to get the Mudkip, but I'm fine with whatever. This is special. So they have this promo code also. If you play the mobile game, you can have this. Enjoy. And first card, Chespin, Finnekin, and Froakie, the frog Pokemon. So very nice special promo cards. These sell for very high value. Like I was able to sell 3 of these for 30 euros, and the box actually only costed 27 euros. So this is like infinite money glitz. Let's put them aside. And then we move on to the Chaos Rising. Special card for you guys. Get the code. How did you do the card trick? 1 to the back, okay. So, first we have Energy, Baltoy, Metang, Emolga, Bergmite, Metagross. Ooh, that is a badass looking Pokemon. Roxy's Performance, some guitar player. Deoxys, nice. Donphan Reverse Holo, nice. From 2nd generation, I like that. Oh, another one of Reverse Holos. And oh, we didn't start off good at all. We got Energy as rare, so minus points for that. Let's hope this other pack is better. Pitch Black, it's the new set, the newest one I think. I actually never opened these before, so I'm quite excited. Get the code. Energy. Monkey, nice artwork. Ooh, I like that. Sizzly Pete. Okay, I never heard about that, but this looks like Minecraft. Nice. Backtrack Batch. Okay. Del Mice. Rust Syndicate Grunt. What is this? Is this like the new Team Rocket? No idea. Ooh, Electrite Reverse Holo. That is a nice card. Oof. I thought we only got the energy as a rare again, but we have something else. GU. GU. What is this? From what generation is this? I'm too boomer to know this, but hey, at least it's not just the energy. So that is nice. So that was the first set. Let's move on to the next one. Here we go. What do you guys think? Are they going to print more of these, or is this going to be like the Series 2 where they just end from the stores and the scalpers are making thousands of dollars money with these? I heard something about that Pokemon Company will print more, and the Japanese government also will tell them to print more, but I don't know when that will take effect. We will see. This time I'm gonna start with Chaos Racing, just for fun. Let's leave the promo cards for later, so you guys can't skip the video. You have to watch the whole thing. So, promo card, I mean the code for the game. And energy. Brax, Breaksen, Froakie, Ferroseed, Watchdog, Watchhog, okay. Garbodor, Deoxys, again with the different set. Special red card. This is for Argentinian football games. The referee has a special red card for the opponent team of Argentina. Skutank, reverse holo. Weedle, nice. Surprise attack. Ooh, Ho! From second generation, the epic bird Pokemon. I had this in the game and we owned Elite Four with this. This is nice card. Wow. I'm really happy with this. Let's go to the next one. Wait. Pitch Black, they have different artwork for this code card. Interesting. Energy. Poplio. Shieldon. Mabostiff. By the way, Slowpoke. Do you guys like my pronunciation of the cards? Finnish accent is the best. Yeah, some of these are really hard to pronounce, to be honest. So bear with me. Silvally. Reverse holo. And it's rare also, so that is bonus points. Then we have Shadowy Energy. But we have another one. No way! We got two energies. That is some really bad luck. How is this even possible? And what is the difference between... This one has glowy sides, but this one doesn't have it, so... Can somebody explain what is the difference? I have no idea. No, this is just not holo. This is holo. But unbelievable luck. Last time I opened this, I also got two energies. And yeah, not good. Let's hope we get something good from the promos. I want Mudkip. Please give me the Mudkip. That will save my day. Ooh, we called it. We got the Mudkip. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The Pokemon cards are real. Torchic and Trico. Okay. So really nice promo cards. I'm gonna put this on sleeve as soon as I finish with the video. And yeah, let's open one more and then I think I call it a day after that, because can't open too many in the same video. I gotta save this for later. Also, I'm gonna give these to some of my friends because they were not lucky enough to beat the scalpers. So I'm helping the poor. I'm like a Robin Hood of Pokemon. I steal from the scalpers and I give them to the poor who cannot get them. So we got the stickers. Those I'm gonna give to my nephews, by the way. They love Pokemon. So let's start off with the Chaos Racing again with nice artwork. Here we go. Hoenn, if you guys play that game, by the way, comment below. Is it good or not? Because I never played it. Metang again. Emolga. Bergmite. Minsino. Emma. Ooh. My waifu again is here. Garbodor. This is a trash Pokemon. Literally. Great Holnet. Emma Reverse Holo. Damn, I dropped the cards. What happened? What happened? I was so excited I dropped the cards. But we can still salvage this situation. Okay. So, Emma. Oh, this one is bad. We got it last time also. I don't like this Pokemon. Gudra. Oh, look at this. Guys, look at this. Fiery Big Bang. We got Mega Puroar EX. Oh my god, we got the Lion Pokemon. Nice. This is like the Charizard of the new generation, I think. How rare is this? Is this the full art? I don't know. Leave a comment below. But I think this is one of the most rarest one I pulled recently. So really happy with this one. This has been a great unboxing so far. I like it. We got the Mudkip, we got the special rare. And let's open the Pitch Black. Here we go. Upside down, but I think you can just screenshot and reverse it. Fire Energy, some worm, some dog. Never seen this. It's like Scooby-Doo or something. Granidos, Whalmer. Nice artwork, by the way. I like this when they make the knitting, like sewing thing. We have some Fox Pokemon. I don't know. Marshmallow. No, Marshadow. Heatran. Marshadow again. And ooh, is this a rare? Wait, how come we got this full art rare and it's not even the last card? We got second rare, Charude. Look, if you replace the Z with D, it will be Darude Sandstrom, the best song ever, Darude Sandstrom. But this one is interesting. How did I manage to pull this off? Is this more rare than this one? I don't know. Leave a comment below. And now to the final card. What will we get? If we get Mudkip again, I'm happy, but I want the third one. Which one are we missing? So we got this, we got this, we missing like this and this and this. So let's see what it's gonna be. Ooh, Mudkip again. Nice, we got two Mudkips. And of course, it's from the same generation. So no surprise there. This has been a great pull because now I can sell the other set and make some profit. And I can still keep my own Mudkip. So big bonus points for that. Big thanks for watching this video. This has been a pleasure. We got the duplicate set of Generation 3 with the Mudkip, of course, the best Pokemon ever. Well, the best after Totodile. And then we got, I don't even remember which generation is this. Maybe like 4 or 5. Don't really care about these ones. Might sell them maybe. And then we got this Primarina. I don't know, comment below, is this rare or not? it looks to be rare. It has one big golden star. And Hoenn, this is just rare, but for me, this is special because I used that Pokemon in the video game Pokemon Silver and we beat everybody with it. And Mega Puror X, this one also probably worth something. I don't know. Which one is more rare? The big golden star or 2 silver star? I think this one, but yeah, I'm gonna open this later. So make sure to subscribe and like the video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, don't like the video. I will see you guys next time and have a great evening or great morning or great night, depends when you watch this. And yeah, see you next time and have fun opening the Pokemon cards. And yeah, go beat the scalpers, okay? They don't deserve the cards. We real fans deserve them. So yeah, thanks for watching.